Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I love making everything that has to do with junk journals. If this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. And speaking of subscribers, when I reach 500 subscribers, I'm going to have a giveaway. I'm working on a lovely journal. So a shout out to Michelle, Joyce, Cindy, and Cathy. I really appreciate each and every one of you. All right, so today what we're going to do is we're going to do some paperclip embellishments. So I like to start with about 1.5 inch strip, and this one's about 7.5 inches long. And these are the larger paper clips. And so what you want to do is you want to, I like to fold it the little bit, like fold it like this. So it's longer than the paper clip, but not a lot longer than the paper clip. And so we're going to fold it like this. And we're going to put that right on the paper clip. So it's just like that, just like this one. Then we're going to fold this one up, because we're going to cover the shorter part of the paper clip. We're going to decorate this side, and this side is the one you're going to hook onto a page. So I'm going to trim this just like that. Okay, so you're just going to take a piece of paper about 1.5 inches wide. Mine's about 7.5 inches long. I have the larger paper clips. I'm going to fold this strip a little longer than the actual paper clip, just a little bit longer. I'm going to fold this. This is cardstock, by the way. This brown paper is cardstock. I'm going to put on the small side, the larger side's on the other side. We're going to fold up to the smaller side inside, so you can't see it anymore. And that's the side we're going to decorate. We're going to use the larger side to attach to our paper. So it's just like that. So I'm going to use hot glue today. I actually think it will make things go faster, and it will secure this very, very well. We're going to use scraps today. I'm going to insert another one of these little glue sticks in here, and we're going to cover this side. Be very careful if you use hot glue. Yes, it is very hot. That's a duh, but it can get away from you, and it can burn you. You will get burns, blisters. Oh murder, oh mister, do I have a blister right on the tip of my thumb. Y'all know that little nursery rhyme? Okay, there we are. Now, we're going to use scraps, as I said before. This is the side that we're going to use to clip onto our page. So this is the, turn over Cathy, this is the side that we're going to decorate. And I've got some pieces today. We are also going to cover it. I've got this really pretty piece of tea-dyed paper that I put a doily on. So I'm going to turn it over to this side, and I'm going to, I think we're going to need to use different glue on here than the glue stick. I don't think the glue stick will work very well. Get this down. Oh, you guys, it's really cold here today. It was snowing some big old flakes earlier, and now it's just kind of misty. Whoa, that went down way too soon. It's misty now, and it's supposed to get really cold, and it was supposed to freeze, and so they're saying be careful on the roads. from the ice. But then tomorrow morning it'll warm up quickly and it'll be all gone. But you have to be careful here today. I hope everyone's day is going well, and if not, I hope it turns around very quickly for you. Alrighty, so we've got that. We're just going to trim this out just a little bit. I just didn't want that really dark paper. I thought it might be difficult to cover up with the lace that we're going to use. So that's why I've chosen to cover it. Move that out of the way. So now this is what the side that we're going to cover it looks like now. And like I said, I just have pieces. So we're just going to put some pieces on here and just get going here. Just get going. All kinds of fun things here. A little of this and a little of that. That's kind of turned up funny. I might just have to stay turned up funny. It'll be just fine. Put something over it. Something bulky over it, and it won't matter at all. Let's cut this. Better hurry or that glue's gonna dry on me. It really will be bulky. There we go. A little bit more. Like I said, this goes very quickly. Goes very quickly with the glue gun. Okay. Let's see, what next? What do I want to put on there now? Everything's sticking to my shirt. No, I don't want that one on there. I actually kind of like this one, which is really strange, but I do. I do like that one. Okay, so let's go ahead and trim this, just like that. It's always easier to trim for me if I turn it on its back side. I think this needs a little bit more gluing down right there. Get that glued down. Oh, you guys, isn't that cool? I love that. I love it. Okay, let's make another one. These are so much fun. Let's get rid of some of these pieces. Oh my goodness, I'm getting everything stuck all over the place. Okay. Oh, that's just me all over. Here we go. Put a little glue down. I've so enjoyed hearing from all of you. And I must remember that people are joining me from other parts of the country. So when I say, oh, just go on down to Joann's and get, they may not have at Joann's. I have to remember that, you know. May not be just so easy for them to just go on down to Joann's. So I must remember that. This is just really exciting for me to hear from people in other parts of the world. So thrilling. I enjoy that so much. Okay, this one's a little more, what's the word? Patchworky. That's the word. Patchworky. I have more pieces. Okay, let's cut that. Let's put a little bit of pink in there. What do you think, guys? Oh, I think that might be lovely. Let's put some pink. Pink shall be next. That's pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so much fun. This could be extremely addictive, making these. You just use up all kinds of little pieces that you have. Which is always nice because, I don't know, I think pieces just multiply. They just multiply. Okay, hurry up. Choose something, Cathy. Choose something. I'm over here cutting this. Trying to get something on there before that dries. There. Are you liking the new setup with the camera moved out a little more so you can hopefully see a little better? And I hope I fixed my lighting problem. I spoke to my son-in-law, and so I have some different lights set up a little differently. Plus it's a cloudy day, and I think that's actually helping because it was the sun going in and out of the clouds, changing the light, and the camera was trying to adjust to all the changes, and it was just having difficulty, and that's why it was going light and dark. So actually the cloudy day kind of helps. I've got quite a few windows in this room. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'll get that glue off of there. There. Aren't they adorable? They are adorable. Okay, let me push this out of the way and let's go ahead and decorate. I went ahead and put some, what is this? Floss in the holes. I just think that makes it look so much softer. I really like that. We can either put it this way or the other way. I'm going to put it the other way just because I think it looks cool, like it's been cut off. Put two of those on there maybe. We can maybe put this piece of ephemera. This is a Tim Holtz, one of those packages that you can purchase. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So cute. What else? Let's see, what else do we have here? Let's get this down so you can see. You can see too. I don't have to have the glue gun in the way so much. Let's get us situated here. Get us situated. The glue gun and the strings everywhere. This one's pretty. Get it picked up. It's like a piece of a postage stamp. How about if we put that right up there? Oh, you guys. Is that not adorable? So precious. Let's finish up this one. Let's see. How about some of these darker colored ones, because it's really pretty with this. I love that little stripes. Those stripes are so cool. And actually those stripes kind of remind me of things my mother would have liked. She liked stuff that looked like that. I think I'm going to put this down on it instead of trying to hold this little tiny button. I think I would get myself burnt doing that. Then maybe some flowers. That might be cool. Let's get that right down on there. Oh my goodness. Whoop. I'll have to pick that button up a little later. It's on the floor now. It's a little bright for me on there. Oh, but this one isn't. Goodness gracious, I'm having trouble picking them up. Oh, yes. Oh yes, I like that a lot. But you know what? I think, excuse me for the reach, I think I'd like to wipe a little bit of ink on it. Yes, I think that's what it needed. Too much white. Even though we have some white, I can make it kind of turned. Oh my goodness, you guys. These are absolutely adorable. Oh, I am so glad you all joined me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.